Hello guys and welcome back to Excelsior Academy. So today we are going to do another numerical from the biochemistry section. So before we proceed, so little theory is needed so that you can understand exactly what we are dealing with. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा theory है जो directly मैंने book से लिया हुआ है, बस थोड़ा सा हमें इसमें समझने की देरी है. Anyways, okay. So acetic acid, so we are going to discuss about like what is the acid dissociation constant. तो ये हम कैसे करते हैं. So यहाँ पे हमने एग्जांपल लिया है acetic acid का and we know that acetic acid is a weak acid. ठीक है, because the dissociation of an H plus from the carboxyl group average over the whole population of carboxyl groups in the solution and it is not complete when the acid dissolved in water. इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है, ये completely dissociate नहीं होता है. ठीक है, so whatever it is, so how much it is getting dissociated, this can be written as CH3COH. This is your acetic acid. Now when it is mixed in the water, it is going to dissociate as CH3COO minus plus H3O plus. आपको ये हाइड्रोनियम आयन हो गया. ठीक है, now here this is going to act as a donor. ओके, एसिड सो H प्लस डोनेट करता है एंड ये एक्सेप्टर काम करता है. तो जो डोनर होता है विच दैट लेटर बिकम्स द बेस बिकॉज इट कैन एक्सेप्ट द H प्लस एंड विच कैन डोनेट इट बिकम्स द कॉन्जुगेट एसिड. ठीक है, ओके. सो डोनेटिंग एंड एक्सेप्टिंग द प्रोटॉन इज अ डायनामिक टू वे प्रोसेस. हमने अभी देखा कि ये डोनेट कर सकता है एंड यहाँ पे वो एक्सेप्ट करेगा. ये यहाँ पे एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है बट यहाँ पे ये डोनेट करेगा. ठीक है, now how do you measure the strength of the acid? So that is given by the acid dissociation constant and it can be written as Ka. So this is how, so the acid strength of the hydronium ion, acid and the given acid and the water. ठीक है, so this can be also written as AH3O plus. so यहाँ पे आपके क्या आ जाएंगे, the product upon the reactants. ठीक है, सिंपल, आपको बस वैसे याद रखना है. so products upon the reactants. now where A denotes the thermodynamic activity of the chemical species. so यहाँ पे जो A है, it is denoting the thermodynamic activity of the chemical species. ठीक है, now in an ideal condition there are no interactions between the solid molecules. ठीक है, so in that case this activity, this A can be given as gamma C, where gamma is an activity coefficient where C is the concentration of the solute. now the activity of pure water, so this is what something very important. so it is taken as to be 1. प्लीज गाइज ये आपको हमेशा याद रखना है बिकॉज ये इंटरव्यू में पूछा जा सकता है. मैं एक एग्जाम्पल के लिए आपको बता देती हूँ. सो देर वॉज वंस इन दी आईसर पुणे इंटरव्यू, द फर्स्ट राउंड क्वेश्चन वॉज आस्क्ड टू वन ऑफ द कैंडिडेट लाइक व्हाट इज द मोलार or molarity of the water. so that person said there is no such thing as such is present. actually that was enough for that person, that candidate, to be kicked out from the interview. why? because you know that even water has got the molarity. so guys, this is assignment for you. स्टडी अबाउट द मोलैरिटी ऑफ वाटर, हाउ इट इज बीन कैलकुलेटेड, क्योंकि आपको ये कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. सो प्लीज स्टडी अबाउट द मोलैरिटी ऑफ वाटर. अगर आपको नोट्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं देन प्लीज पिंग मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन सो दैट आई कैन प्रोवाइड यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. ओके, सो इन डाइल्यूट सोल्यूशन द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ वाटर इज वेरी क्लोज टू दैट ऑफ द प्योर वाटर. And in dilute solution, the activity of solute may be closely approximated by its concentration. So that can be given as Ka. So as I said, H plus A minus Ha H2O. ठीक है, तो ये हमेशा प्रोडक्ट ऊपर रहेगा, रिएक्टेंस नीचे आएगा. Now when you rearrange, so this can be written as H plus Ka dash Ha A minus. Okay. Now larger the value of Ka, ठीक है, greater the tendency of the acid to dissociate, hence stronger the acid. तो आपको क्या याद रखना है, Ka value increase होगा. ठीक है, it means the acid is strong. Now guys, one more thing you have to remember. If I say about pKa, what is pKa? It is the negative log of K. So now I have to say that lower the value of pKa of a compound, then it is going to be higher the value of Ka, then only the acid is going to be stronger. ठीक है, so for example for acetic acid this can be given as like this. Okay, so again just to summarize, pKa value आपकी कम होनी चाहिए, Ka value higher होनी चाहिए, then only your acid is going to be strong. Guys, this is what you have to remember from the entire this theory. Let's do the numerical now. So which of the following acid is stronger? Boric acid with having the pK value of 9 and acetic acid having the pKa value of 4.6. So just now we have discussed that lower the pKa value, higher the Ka value, hence the acid is stronger. Okay, so यहाँ पे pK value किसकी कम है? Acetic acid की, right? So इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? That it is going to have the higher Ka value. Hence acetic acid is going to be more stronger as compared to the boric acid. Now this is one method. So we also have the another method. So what you can do is you can actually calculate the Ka value. So Ka value of boric acid is going to be pK कितना दिया है 9. So this can be written as 1 into 10 raised to minus 9. Okay, moles per liter. Now whereas for acetic acid this can be written as 10 raised to minus 4.6. So ये आपका कर कुछ बराबर आ जाएगा 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 5 moles per liter. ठीक है, so this you have to calculate because आपको log लेना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. So acetic acid is having the higher Ka value as compared to the Ka value of the boric acid. So 10 raised to minus 9 है और यहाँ 10 raised to minus 5 है. Even though both are small, but when you compare, 10 raised to minus 5 is larger as compared to the 10 raised to minus 9. Hence, the Ka value of acetic acid is higher. And to conclude, which of the following acid is stronger? So acetic acid is going to be the stronger acid. So guys, I hope you understood the concept over here. अगर आपको फिर भी थ्योरी कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है और आपसे नहीं समझा जा रहा है, बस इतना याद रखिए कि pK वैल्यू आपकी कम होनी चाहिए. ओके, लेट मी जस्ट राइट इट वंस अगेन. सो pK वैल्यू शुड बी लोअर, Ka वैल्यू हायर, देन योर एसिड इज स्ट्रॉन्गर. ठीक है. Now why this is inversely proportional? Because pKa is nothing but the negative log of Ka. इसलिए ये inversely proportional जाता है. I hope you understood this concept. Please remember so that next time you can easily do the numerical or the objective questions. So thank you guys. Have a nice day.